Ryan Reynolds couldn't contain his admiration for Taylor Swift's Eras tour, sharing with fans that her recent New Orleans show left an unforgettable mark on him. Gushing about the impact on the city and its people, Reynolds praised Swift's ability to create a powerful sense of unity that resonates with everyone who attends. In a heartfelt Instagram post, Ryan Reynolds poured out his admiration for Taylor Swift's Eras tour after attending her concert in New Orleans with wife Blake Lively. This wasn't just any typical concert for Reynolds. He called the experience something he'd treasure even in old age, humorously picturing himself reminiscing about it while drinking a sandwich at 95 years old. Reynolds, who has spent much of his career working in New Orleans, recognized the special bond Swift performance created in the city, which has weathered numerous hardships. He praised the way Swift's tour revived local businesses, breathing life into a city that's seen its fair share of challenges. His reflections didn't stop at economic impact. Reynolds highlighted the social magic Swift's tour wove through the crowd. With his characteristic wit, he noted that in a year like 2024, where unity can be hard to come by, Swift's ability to bring people together felt like an extraordinary feat. He described the concert as gigantic but intimate, praising Swift's rare ability to deliver a massive, spectacle-filled experience that still manages to feel personal. Reynolds, who boasts a fan base of over 54 million followers, instantly went viral with his post, racking up hundreds of thousands of likes within an hour. The actor, known for his work in the Deadpool franchise and other blockbuster hits, expressed genuine awe for the dedication Swift pours into each show. With humor and admiration, Reynolds marveled at the energy, talent, and precision that Swift brings to her performances. He even likened the concert to an athletic event that defies the typical bounds of what one might expect from a live show. Reynolds joked that the only downside of Swift's concerts was that the star herself couldn't sit in the audience to witness the unforgettable experience from the other side. Swift's show at the Caesars Superdome from October 25th to 27th was a landmark event for New Orleans, with the venue draped in friendship bracelets to honor the beloved singer. This wasn't the couple's first time attending Swift's Eras tour either. They previously joined her Madrid shows over the summer, bringing along their daughters for a memorable night as well as enjoying an adult date night at another performance. Lively and Reynolds share 4 children: James, 9, Inez, 8, Betty, 5, and son Olin, who is just 1 year old. Ryan Reynolds' heartfelt words remind us of the unique power of music to bring people together and create lasting memories. As the Eras tour nears its final leg, Swift's ability to unite fans from all walks of life has truly made it the cultural phenomenon Reynolds describes. For him and millions of others, these shows will be cherished memories, a rare connection in a world that often feels divided.